every tourist visa holder, they cannot process their work permit anymore inside Canada. Yun ang word eh. Period.
Opo,
Now,
yun.
ang assessment naman ng ibang tao, every tourist visa holder, including lahat sa inyo na used to have a work permit or a student permit, has to go out para ma-process yung papers. Yun, they have different meaning yung mga paragraph na yon. So, ibig sabihin, kayo, dahil mayroon na namang in between yun na information na exempt, yun yung sabi, exempted ang mga dating may work permit, pwede pa rin kayong mag-process dito sa loob ng Canada. Kasi you used to have a work permit and student permit.